Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. Bill Morgan, an attorney, has once again spoken out against Coinbase for its refusal to list XRP. By the way, this is a secondary market sale. All cryptos will likely be extremely active on June 13th. Is Ripple and the SEC any closer to reaching a settlement? Finally, is XRP headed for a price of $6.40? A well-known expert has noticed a W pattern developing on its weekly chart. To find out the rest, read on to the conclusion. Bill Morgan, a prominent attorney in Australia, has criticized Coinbase for their lack of support for XRP sales on the secondary market. The pro-XRP lawyer made this statement while elaborating on his previous criticism of the American stock market. On June 7th, Morgan tweeted that it was foolish for exchanges like Coinbase to continue to prohibit secondary trading of XRP. He claims that Coinbase's treatment of XRP contradicts the exchange's claims in its response to the SEC's Wells notice. He responded to the Wells with a snippet of the Coinbase response. Exchanges notice arguing that secondary market trades do not involve an investment contract, regardless of whether or not the issuer was actively promoting the transaction at the time. Morgan, an attorney, thinks it's reasonable if Coinbase bans Ripple and its middlemen from selling XRP on its site. While he acknowledged that there are XRP sales that have nothing to do with Ripple, he claimed that Coinbase had stopped supporting all XRP sales on the secondary market. Morgan stated that he would continue to point out the irregularities in the market. Despite their disagreements, he came out in favor of Coinbase during the company's legal struggle with the SEC. Not even a month after the SEC filed charges against Ripple for violating federal securities laws, Coinbase pulled the plug on XRP trading. Many XRP advocates, including Morgan, feel that Coinbase was unjust to the coin and its supporters, notwithstanding attorney John Deaton's assertion that the decision was motivated by Coinbase's intention to go public at the time. Even though the SEC has classified Algorand as a security, Coinbase has not yet suspended its support for the cryptocurrency. Morgan made his most recent remark in response to a Twitter debate started by Kickstarter's co-founder and chief executive officer, Jesse Hines. Hines called on the XRP community to put aside their differences and support the 6 recent enforcement action victims in the thread. For background, in December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple for breaking federal securities laws in connection with its offer and sale of XRP, leading many XRP supporters to fear the cryptocurrency community had abandoned them. Hines said that Coinbase and Binance missed an opportunity to aid Ripple in the early stages of their legal struggle. With the SEC suing Coinbase and Binance and categorizing various crypto assets, including ADA and BNB, as securities, he said that other crypto communities perceived Ripple and XRP enthusiasts as the bad guys. In response to the regulators' negative enforcement efforts, people of the Bitcoin community have begun speaking out. It's interesting to note that XRP supporters have not made things easy for the latest victims of sex legal battle by constantly reminding them of their prolonged silence following Ripple's lawsuit. Hines, on the other hand, believes that the XRP community needs to rise above the negativity and welcome other crypto fans who are speaking out against the SEC stance. You've been a real pain to these businesses and organizations during the past several days. Hines emphasized the need of being the accepting outsider who has been there and understands the range of feelings and experiences that others are encountering for the first time. If you want to be the first to know what's going on with XRP, make sure you subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Fox Business reporter Eleanor Terrett hinted on Twitter on the 7th of June that the 13th of June, 2023, could be a pivotal day for the cryptocurrency market. The crypto journalist claims that a hearing on crypto legislation will take place in the House Financial Services Committee on the same day that Hinman's docs could be made public. Terrett let her know this in response to one of her tweets. The next crypto hearing before Congress will take place on Tuesday, June 13, 2023, at 1800 hours UTC, as announced by Proterra Chairman Patrick McHenry. According to Terrett, the upcoming hearing will focus on the future of digital assets and shed light on the digital asset ecosystem. The hearing will take place in the Rayburn House office building, which is important to know. The hearing in Congress is part of the U.S. government's endeavor to clarify rules for the developing economy. McHenry recently gave a video speech outlining the importance of proper procedure for policymakers. The first order of business for policymakers is to facilitate consumer protection and encourage innovation. McHenry also argued that federal agencies like the CFTC and SEC should work together to better safeguard American consumers. The upcoming congressional crypto hearing will center on clarifying regulations for the cryptocurrency industry and the broader digital asset ecosystem. Coincidentally, crypto supporters are hoping that SEC head Gary Gensler and his recent crackdown on crypto businesses will be a focus of the hearing. On the other hand, Hinman's docs have been getting a lot of buzz as of late. The report will likely be released to the public in the month of June. Hinman's documents reflect internal deliberations at the SEC leading up to William Hinman's lecture on cryptocurrencies in 2018, in which he defined Bitcoin and Ethereum as not securities, and were sealed on the 13th per Judge Annalisa Torres' sealing decision in the SEC versus Ripple action. The SEC took extensive measures, including challenging the court's judgments more than 5 times, to prevent the documents from being released to Ripple. On the other hand, the day of the forthcoming congressional crypto hearing, June 13th, Hinman's email will be released to the public. I have a quick story about DexPool to share with you before I go any farther. A market maker is an independent liquidity provider. Someone is essentially giving their crypto assets to the platform in order to facilitate cryptocurrency trading on a decentralized network. Many people consider the fees they get from trading on the platform to be passive income, and that's what you get in return. And it's available via the DexPool. It's essential to emphasize that any user of a decentralized network like Uniswap can contribute to the platform's liquidity. SushiSwap, and so on. If you sign up for DexPool through the link in the video's description, you'll be eligible for a special welcome bonus. You can earn up to 100 XRP with this offer. It's a cash bonus good for 10 days use. This is a limited time promotion. This bonus is yours to keep once you've made a deposit. Furthermore, the XRP community is still responding to Brad Garlinghouse's recent comments. The enforcement efforts taken by the SEC against cryptocurrencies, according to Garlinghouse, run counter to SEC Chair Gary Gensler's self-proclaimed pro-innovation approach. In light of the SEC's recent assault on top cryptocurrency exchanges Binance and Coinbase and SEC Chair Gensler's comments on digital currency, Garlinghouse felt compelled to respond. According to Garlinghouse, the SEC filed suit against Binance and Coinbase in November 2022 to divert attention from the fact that it was taken off guard by the collapse of the FTX ecosystem. It's humiliating to see an unelected bureaucrat fumble around like this because his agency lacks the authority he craves. Nobody is duped, he said. XRP supporters who are waiting for Ripple to finally lose their legal battle have responded to the company's CEO's comments. A member of the XRP community responded by speculating that Garlinghouse's stern words in the post portend a loss for the business in its legal struggle with the SEC. The tweeter in question interprets this as a possible trial date or a consideration of an appeal of the summary judgment ruling by the firm. The person sought the advice of Jeremy Hogan, a partner at the law firm Hogan & Hogan. In response to recent rumors, attorney Hogan stressed that it was too soon to talk about settling the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. Less than 24 hours after popular crypto writer Zach Richter revealed that Ripple is close to settling with the SEC, Hogan made similar comments. Particularly noteworthy, discussions of a possible settlement in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit have been ongoing for the past month. Judge Annalisa Torres' sealing decision has prompted widespread speculation that the parties may reach a settlement. Remember that in 2018, Judge Torres ruled against the SEC's request to keep William Hinman's prepared remarks on cryptocurrencies under wraps. Despite the SEC's efforts to keep the materials classified, the judge issued the judgment, and Hinman's emails are scheduled to be made public on June 13, 2023. There have been rumors that the SEC may cave to pressure and reach a settlement with Ripple to keep the record secret. In a financial blog post last month, the Wall Street Bull claimed that a settlement between the SEC and Ripple had already been reached. On June 14, 2023, the user said they would reveal the entire terms of the settlement. It's important to note that Ripple is willing to negotiate a settlement with the SEC. A settlement with the SEC is necessary, but the leading blockchain startup has reiterated that it will only do so if the SEC gives regulatory certainty for XRP. Now, the day's most important question: is the XRP price heading towards $6.40? If you want to be among the first to know about breaking news, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Despite the current slump caused by the SEC's lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase, XRP steadfastly defended the support above 50 cents. Expert analyst Y has noticed a pattern forming on XRP's weekly chart that indicates the currency will likely move to a range between $5.50 and $6.40 as this resilience persists. XRP could be entering what Y called the twilight zone, he emphasized. His estimation places the range of prices in this area at $5.50 and $6.40. According to Y, the construction of a W pattern in the price of XRP during the past few days indicates that the asset is currently falling into the zone. Y determined a price goal range based on its analysis. According to the non-logarithmic scale, the range is roughly 75 to 85 cents. As it forms the W, the analyst sees this as a potential destination for XRP. However, Y places the aim between $1 and $1.20 by gauging the W shape using a logarithmic scale. If XRP's W pattern formation follows the logarithmic scale, then these prices could be reached on the way to the twilight zone, as predicted by him. Further, Y drew attention to a symmetrical triangle pattern formed by the intersection of the Atlas line and the line of final awakening. There has been consolidation in the form of a triangle, suggesting an imminent breakout. According to Y, a successful breakthrough from the symmetrical triangle would send XRP soaring to $5.50. The expert estimates the price should reach a Fibonacci retracement level of 1.618. The 1.618 FIB retracement level is at $6.40. If XRP's price moves in accordance with Fibonacci retracement patterns, he predicts it might hit $6.40. Y has previously predicted that XRP might reach a price of $10. The analyst said that in the next 2 years, XRP's value may rise to either $10 or $27, depending on its future trajectory. But Y has found evidence of a market decline in his newest Twilight Zone investigation, which he calls the ultimate shakeout. Investors should exercise caution, he said, because the lows of this month or lower are possible due to unexpected circumstances. It's worth noting that while Y has set his sights on a $6.40 final price, pro-XRP attorney John Deaton has set his sights higher. In a recent interview, Deaton emphasized his belief that the price of XRP will increase by $2 to $10 if and when Ripple prevails in its lawsuit against the SEC. When XRP reaches $2, Deaton predicts that XRP FOMO will begin. This video has already concluded. Guys, if you liked the video, click the like button. Be sure to subscribe and activate the bell for alerts. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.